Welcome back, boys and girls. I have Thursday's reading lesson for you. And you will need to take out your reading response page. I'm just getting mine out right now, and here it is. I have it here. It's the one with a blue post-it, and it says my nonfiction book at the top. So last week we did a nonfiction book, and this week we're doing it again. And just as a reminder, I'm doing this to actually be of help to you as we do our writing this week. You might be thinking about an animal that you want to learn more about, and maybe one of the animals is something that we're reading about. So let's dive right in. As I share today's story with you, be thinking about what the book is mostly all about. Remember, that's the main idea. Then we're also going to take a look and see if we notice any interesting words. These words, they might be a bold word in our book. And I'll be sure to point those out to you as we come along them when we're reading. All right, let's take a look. I'm going to flip over to The Amazing Octopus. This is written by Iva Valentino. Look at how majestic the octopus is. The Amazing Octopus. Here's our focus question. What is an octopus and why is it amazing? Hopefully this story will this writing and reading will tell us about it. Table of contents. We have an introduction. How are octopuses born? What are octopuses like? Where do octopuses live? How do octopuses move? How do octopuses hunt and stay safe? Conclusion and glossary. Here we go. Introduction. More than 300 types of octopuses live in ocean waters around the world. Their interesting looks and incredible skills make octopuses amazing creatures of the sea. Most octopuses stay awake at night and sleep during the day. The big blue or day octopus does the opposite. This colorful octopus lives in warm water. How are octopuses born? Mother octopuses watch over their eggs until they hatch. It could take 2 to 12 months or even longer. Octopus mothers die soon after their eggs hatch. Oh, I didn't know that. Word-wise, the word octopus comes from the Greek language. It means 8 foot. Now, if you know anything about the part of the word octo, if you've heard of an octagon is a shape. Octopus is a creature. Octo means 8. So an octagon is an 8-sided shape. Octopus is an 8-footed sea creature. What are octopuses like? Octopuses can be big or small. They have 2 big eyes, a beak, and a soft, round body. They also have 8 long arms, each with its own brain. Octopuses have 9 brains in total. Near its head, an octopus has a tube called a siphon. An octopus can shoot water, waste, and ink out of its siphon. And here's a diagram that labels all the parts of the octopus. The arms of an octopus are covered with suckers. They help octopuses move around, grab onto rocks, and catch prey. Suckers also let octopuses taste. So remember I said I was going to point out bold words? Prey is one of those words. It might be one of the ones that you want to record on your nonfiction book page as one of the words that you write down. Did you know octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? And this one says an octopus uses its sucker to grab a passing fish. Octopuses don't have any bones. They can fit into small spaces. Octopuses are also very smart. They can find their way out of a maze and even use tools. Octopuses can squeeze through tiny openings, such as the one in this can. Oh my goodness, who would have thought that a can of soda, the little hole that you pop open when you pop the top, an octopus could fit through there? Wowzers. The coconut octopus finds coconut shells and seashells. The octopus uses the shells as a house to keep safe. So this is a coconut octopus that hides between two shells. Where do octopuses live? Octopuses usually live in warm water. Some octopuses live in very cold water. Many octopuses like deep ocean waters. Others swim near the ocean's surface. This is showing us on the map where octopuses live. Wherever you see orange is where you can find many octopuses. Scientists found this octopus frozen deep under the ice in Antarctica. So look at how many are right near the coldest waters near Antarctica. That's so many. So there's some that love really cold water and some that love really warm water. Remember, if this were the globe, this would be the equator. It's an imaginary line that runs through the center of the Earth. And if you live closest to the equator, we know that it is very, very, very hot in those areas. So look at all the octopuses that live right in the warmest of waters. How do octopuses move? Octopuses can swim fast in an unusual way. First, they take water into their body. Then they squirt water out of their siphon. The force pushes octopuses backward. Swimming is hard work for octopuses. It's easier for them to crawl along the ocean floor. So octopuses use a lot of energy to swim fast, like on the top. When they're on the ocean floor, octopuses look for food and places to hide on the bottom. How do octopuses hunt and stay safe? Octopuses hunt fish, snakes, and other ocean animals. Octopuses drop down on their prey. The prey sticks to their suckers. Then, octopuses pull their food into their beak. An octopus uses its arms to catch and eat a banded sea snake. And here's the sea snake. Predators of octopuses include whales, seals, and large fish. When predators attack, octopuses have different ways to escape. An octopus can bite an attacker and pass on venom. The bright blue rings on the blue-ringed octopus show other animals that it's venomous. This reminds me of something similar to frogs. If you know anything about frogs, the more vibrant colors that they are, the more poisonous they seem to be. And this seal has just caught an octopus. Octopuses can also shoot dark ink out of their siphon so predators can't see them. Scientists think that the ink of an octopus might change the way an attacker hears and tastes. Octopuses can even blend in with the colors around them. Then predators can't see them. Sometimes octopuses get caught. However, if an octopus loses an arm, it can grow a new one. That's a pretty important fact. Octopuses can turn brown, green, gray, pink, or blue. Do you see the octopus in the picture? It blends right in. Conclusion. Octopuses can do many things. They can swim backward, shoot ink, change colors, and even grow new arms. Octopuses are amazing animals. The mimic octopus can act and look like fish, snakes, and other animals. The starsucker pygmy octopus is the smallest octopus in the world, And the Dumbo octopus uses its ear-like fins to swim around. How fun! Here's our glossary. So we have words like blend, to become hidden because of looking or acting like something else. Hatch, to come out of an egg. Predators, animals that hunt and eat other animals to stay alive. Prey, animals that are hunted and eaten by other animals. Squirt, to shoot out a liquid in a thin, fast stream. Or venom, something harmful or deadly that usually enters the body through a bite or a sting. So let's go back to our main idea. So if you're going to use this text today, what was our book mostly all about? Well, you're right if you said it was all about octopuses. And let's go in and look for some interesting words. So I might go back to the glossary and I'm going to pick, let's see. Let's go back and see. Let's do blend. Blend. Let's do hatch. And let's do predators. All right, and now we need to find a picture to go along with it. Well, I'll do a couple. Let's do insert picture. And I'm going to actually type in camouflage. So to blend, I know this isn't an octopus, but it's of an animal that's blending in with its environment. Doesn't it look like the leaves that it's nearby? And then to hatch, let's do hatch from an egg. Let's show hatch. And last one, predators. What was one of the predators? Do you remember? Of the octopus? Oh, whales. Let's get a picture of a whale. Insert picture. Let's do a whale. There we go. And now I have my words and a quick picture next to it. So boys and girls, today for reading, I want you to just look at the very top of the page. You can use our book about octopuses. You can even go back to yesterday's story and use the one about the gorillas. You're going to write what the main topic is and pick 3 interesting words and draw a quick picture. Then you are all set. Off you go, readers.